Everstake Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Everstake Wallet app is known for being a gateway into the world of staking, a place where users can earn passive income from crypto without needing technical knowledge. But is it really as easy and secure as it sounds? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Everstake has built its reputation as one of the largest staking providers in the industry, supporting over 70 networks including Ethereum, Cardano, Solana and Polkadot. That means you can stake a wide variety of assets directly from the app and earn rewards seamlessly. One of its biggest strengths is ease of use. Everstake simplifies staking for everyday users. Instead of setting up nodes or running validators, you just delegate your tokens to trusted validators through the app. In most cases, rewards are automatically distributed, no maintenance needed. Security is another major plus. Everstake is a non-custodial platform, meaning you always retain control of your funds. They never hold your private keys, which reduces the risk of hacks or centralized breaches. The app also provides transparent data and analytics. You can track your staking performance, validator uptime, and estimated rewards in real time. Now, let's look at the cons. While Everstake offers simplicity, it also means limited customization for advanced users. You can't manually adjust validator settings or optimize rewards as much as with self-hosted staking setups. Another potential downside is network dependence. Staking rewards depend on blockchain performance, token inflation, and validator reliability, factors that are sometimes out of your control. Lastly, Everstake does charge small commission fees on staking rewards. While reasonable, they slightly reduce your overall yield compared to running your own node. In conclusion, the Everstake Wallet app is a powerful beginner-friendly solution for anyone who wants to earn crypto passively through staking. It's secure, transparent, and supports dozens of blockchains. The surprising truth: Everstake makes staking as easy as holding, turning complex blockchain mechanics into simple, steady income.